Alright everyone, welcome back to another how-to video. Today I will be showing you how to make a simple, easy, fun wave on a jet ski as well as do a 180. So I think of this as a football pattern, kind of like running a route. We're going to follow the red line, those two segments, make a 90-degree angle, and then come back and hit where those two segments converge. So this is my brother here, makes the 90-degree angle, comes back, and as the two waves converge, he hits it. Perfect. Here's another angle of that. This one you'll really be able to see the waves converging. So 90-degree angle, coming back around, you can see the waves start to converge. He's a little early on this one. If he had waited a bit longer, the wave would have been bigger. Another angle from our brother here. So 90-ish degree angle, come around and wait for it. Again, he's a little bit early, but you can see he actually got some pretty good air regardless of that one. Now here's me. I like to wait a little bit longer to come back and hit him, so this is a little bit bigger, but still that same 90-degree angle, making the cut just like a football receiver, and I give it plenty of time to converge. Now I will admit I did not time this one up the best. It still takes a lot of timing to get this right, but you can see I hit those waves as they converged. So now let's talk about the 180. This is a pretty cool trick because you got all the water spraying up, but it's not too difficult to do. You can do it as a relative beginner. So let's slow this down and I'll kind of walk through how to do it. The first thing is I make a slight turn to the left and then a big turn to the right. And if you're doing this at about 30 miles an hour, you'll produce that spray, you'll get that 180, and as you see, I ride off into the rainbow. So this has been how to make a cool wave. Hope you enjoyed.